In spreadsheets, you can also create what are known as charts or graphs to represent data. And in order to do this, you need to have some sort of data laid out. And at a basic level, you should probably have some sort of a title. And you should probably have at least 2 columns. Whatever it is that you're measuring, probably some sort of a number of how much it is or what percentage it is. And in order to make a chart or a graph, what you would do then is you'd simply highlight the information you want to chart or graph, and you would click on the little Insert Chart icon. And what you'll notice here is it'll try to do the math and figure out what kind of graph would be the best. So in this case, it's recommending a pie chart. You could also maybe do a bar graph or something like that. You could also have the columns go horizontal. Or maybe the pie graph looks the best. You can do that too. You notice here that the percentages are all labeled. It's color-coded. And if you want to, you can also go ahead and customize it. So you can make it 3D. You could change the background color to be something different. You could also change the titles. So maybe what I want to do here is make a title. So I can say stuff I use for lunch. I don't know, something like that. Okay. You can change the font size, the font type, and put in some legends and keys and whatever else. When you're all done with it and you're all happy with it, you'll have this chart, and you can go ahead and move it wherever you want to move it. So maybe I'll bring it over here so I can see it a little bit better. What's also cool about this is if I want to, I can actually click on this. I can download the chart as a picture to put into a PowerPoint slide or a slide deck or a Word document. I could publish it. I could copy it, put it into something else. And what's also really neat is if my numbers change, so maybe my peanut butter, I want to make it like 20%. And maybe I want to make my butter 10%. You'll see here that these things change. So if you have your numbers and you change your numbers, maybe things change in a physics experiment, you will be able to update your chart and your graph in real time in order to reflect whatever else that you're doing. As you go through here, you'll see some other types of data too. So think about the different types of charts that are available. Think about what information it's telling you, and take a look at some of the examples and see what would look most natural or the best for you. And once you do that, you'll be in pretty good shape.